happens when one of the accomplices in a murder case becomes an approver. Recently, in judgment passed by the Supreme Court in Gopichand versus State, the court upheld the conviction of the appellant accused on the basis of the testimony of the approver. The facts are that a truck was hired by 5 persons with intention to steal the truck, and they killed the driver and cleaner of the truck in order to do the same. One of the accused turned an approver, and the appellant accused was convicted by the trial court as well as the High Court. The question before the Supreme Court was whether the testimony of approver could form basis of conviction and whether the conviction under Section 302 and 120B IPC is sustainable. The court discussed the approver's testimony and its legal principles at length and held that his testimony was not completely exculpatory as he admitted to participation in the crime, though he may not have done the final attack. The court also said that there are enough facts for corroboration like possession of truck by co-accused, use of the truck by deceased persons and identification of dead bodies by the approver. The court also held that even though charge of conspiracy was not framed, the accused was well aware of the trial and the nature of allegations which can be assessed from the cross-examination of witnesses and the charge framing order wherein he pleaded not guilty. Therefore, there is no defect in framing of charge. The court also held that one who enters into a conspiratorial relationship is liable for every reasonable forcible crime committed by every member of the conspiracy in reference to their common intention, whether or not he knew of the crimes or aided in their commission. The court discussed that the testimony of approver, it was clear that they had a common intention and meeting of minds for stealing the truck, and because of which they hired the truck, and also used the weapon of assault, which further shows that the murder was a forcible event and therefore the conviction was upheld.